how to install Facebook on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to install Facebook on your laptop Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is there are two steps. One is from your browser and the other is from your Microsoft Store. So first open up your Microsoft Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with the search and then search with Facebook. Once you searched, here you will have the Facebook. So I've already installed the application. You can simply go with install or get, which is here on the left side of your screen, and you will be able to download or install the Facebook application. Once you've installed, you can simply go with your Windows search for Facebook, and here you will have the application. But the other way is you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, go with the search and search for Facebook. Once you search for Facebook, now go with the Facebook login or sign up, and it will take you to the browser where you can use your Facebook. So in this way, you can use your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.